With me now, folks, Tracy Jackson Blake, who's the founder of Because It's For You. She uses recycled fabric to quilt and do some other things, and she's here with us this morning to show off some of her handiwork. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's good to have you. I want to wrap myself in one of your quilts right now.
Please do.
Fighting the urge to. But tell me a little bit about your business. Because It's For You is a very personal name of a company. Tell me what's behind that.
Yes. Okay. Well, a friend of mine, this was years before I started quilting, a friend of mine who's always been cherished received a Christmas gift from me. And it was just a little decorative Christmas item that her kids would enjoy, a little dancing Santa or what have you. And she was so confused as to why I would buy her this electronic thing. And I was shocked, you know, I said to her, I bought it because it's for you, you know, and I thought, well, that's what really what people need to understand, that they're valued and they're cherished, and everything I make is meant to be lived with and loved.
Because it's for you, I did this for you. There's such love in the name. So you came to Jamaica when you were how old?
I came to Jamaica when I was engaged.
Okay.
So, and then I was here a year planning the wedding. And I've been married for 14 years.
Wow.
Yes.
You're from Canada originally.
I'm from Canada. My family's from Kingston. So it in a way it felt like coming home, because we would vacation here, and you know I was a part of, you know, the I guess the food and the culture, and my family abroad started some cultural incentives so that the community can come together, and so we've always been a part of wanting that sense of community.
But you are an early childhood educator by training.
Yes.
But you obviously have a creative streak and have had one for the longest time. Where did that come from?
I've been doing art. I do fine art, visual art, and this is, well, fairly new. I've been doing it for 15 years. And I fell in love with the fabrics. It's been what feeds me.
Yeah.
Whenever I've had a little dull spot in my life, I go back to doing my art, and it revives me.
Yeah.
And so now I've decided to do what I truly want and have always wanted to do. Our early childhood is my life. I have 3 children. So that part is okay. Maybe when my babies are gone, maybe I might want to go back to that.
Yeah.
But right now, this is my...
So your passion really is your purpose at this point.
Absolutely.
I love that. All right, so let's talk a little bit about your creations. Can we start over there? We don't have to move.
Okay, sure.
Because we have the shots.
Okay.
But those are those for the kids?
Right, so there's the mini backpacks. And that started with my children's needs to be out and about. And so it started off with sippy cups and banana chips and grew into iPads and novels. So it really does carry a lot. And then the drawstring backpack is one of my newer products. And those are just great for grab and go, throw in a towel or throw in whatever you're doing.
And you do these all by hand, Tracy?
I do. And I make them one of a kind because it's for you.
Yeah.
Because everything is really yours. So if your bestie wants something like yours, you can still have yours be special.
Yeah.
And it keeps it creative for me too. You know, I'm not a factory. I'll never be capable of doing what factories can do. And so if I'm not loving it, then I'm not going to do it. So every time I do it, I do something that's fun, or it's something that I thought of, or something that I've seen, or something that I'm replicating, or something that I've come up with. And each one of them I actually remember.
And distinct.
And I name them.
You do. So let's name from left to right. So over on the left is?
I would be trying to remember the name, so I'd look at the tag. But the one on the far left is a Japanese knot bag.
Okay.
And that's literally my newest product that I came out with
cute.
just a few days ago. Isn't it adorable? So the one side is long and the other side is short.
Is this it?
Yes.
All right, guys, let's have, and this is so,
isn't that adorable?
Okay,
and so
you drop your stuff in.
Yeah, and feed the long one into the short, and then put it on your wrist.
Jody.
Isn't that great?
Jody has a wrist bag that she carries everything in.
Isn't that great?
I think, Jody, this would be a great replacement for your bag, because your bag has done its time, I think. This is lovely.
And I do custom. So if you say, you know what, I want red, or I have a dress, or I prefer denim, I work with denim a lot. Denim is so much fun, especially repurposing denim. Yes.
Cell phone, good to go. I can't even put this on my belt loop like so and wear it. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Okay,
Thank
and
you.
so what's this called? Japanese?
This is a Japanese knot bag.
Okay,
Yes.
all right. So talk us through some of the other stuff you have.
All right,
here,
so we
Tracy.
have, this one is, again, a Japanese concept with the stitches. They're sashiko stitches. And I did this again with the repurposed denim. You can see the loops here.
Okay.
And so it's just a little wristlet.
Right.
This is a coin purse. repurposed as well. These
Yeah.
are all scraps and remnants of previous projects.
Okay.
This-
What in the world? Let's graduate to the bigger bags. Seriously, Tracy, you was going to migrate to this bag? What's happening here?
Everything goes
Oh,
in
a
here.
yoga mat is in it.
Yes, it actually
You're
fits.
so smart.
Thank you. It actually fits
Yeah,
2 yoga mats.
Gane Ramgalam, I'm thinking of you right now. My best friend is a yoga teacher.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is an instructor's bag because it fits the straps and the blocks. It fits all the tools that come with yoga.
Yo, when you finish yoga, you can lie down in this if you want and just take a rest. I love this.
Thank you.
Perfect. And you have it in different types of fabric.
Right.
It's very easy to carry.
And then each bag is, this one is Flourish, is named. And this one, if
the
I
other
could
side.
remember the name of it, this one is Bless. Yeah, so it comes with its own little Zen vibe.
I love this. Love, 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 love.
Thank you.
All right, and we have more bags here.
Right.
This is from your newest this is
Collection.
Nice. Very
So
cute.
This one is a shopping bag. So yes, it's cute, and I wanted it to be fashionable so that whether you're doing mall shopping or just out and about, you have
Yeah.
a pocket for all the different places you've been.
Yeah. And then we're getting to my favorite part now.
Okay.
I'm going to open this up.
Thank you.
This is a quilt, which is this is screaming picnic.
Yes,
Please
isn't
take
it?
me on a picnic. And then the other side is filled with all sorts of good, happy stuff. This stuff is so happy, happy, happy.
Thank you.
And warm, but that's an aside. Love this. And so the quilts you do by hand as well.
I do. So I machine sew them, and I do the original technique, which is the hand quilting. And I think that's the charm of my work, is that I literally get to sit with it and kind of meditate a little bit and
This
go.
reminds me of grandma and home and just love.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's
which
sort
is
of
what
a,
it's supposed
it's
to
a
do.
throwback to cherishing home and family, and I think that, you know, we do cherish home and family, but we're also busy.
Yeah.
And so it's just a little remember.
So this goes to the beach.
Yes.
It goes outside on a picnic.
Yes, tea drinking blanket, book reading blanket.
Yeah. Fantastic. Your stuff is really lovely.
Thank
Where do
you.
we find you to patronize?
Okay, so I have a few of my items at shop number 5 at Devon House, and that's Art Connection. A few of my items at My Jamaica. A few of my items at Tailored for Babies, and I can always be contacted on Instagram if you type in because it is separate words because it is for you. Then I post where I'm going to be, and on the weekend, can I say where I'm going to be on the
Yes,
weekend?
please.
On the weekend, on Sunday, I'm going to be at 47 Temple Mead. A friend of mine is doing an art exhibition, and she's a visual artist as well. And it's a small show from 4 to 6, I believe. 4 to
Okay.
7. Yes.
47 Temple Me.
Yes, at 4 to 7. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank
Love
you.
your stuff.
Thank you, and thanks for having
Thanks
me.
for coming through. Founder of Because It Is For You, Tracy Jackson Blake. Before we go to the break, let's check out Jamaica by air. So if you can guess where this is, give us a call at 733-246126 for a chance to win today's gift. Take a look real good. Can you tell us where that is? Let us know. And you could win something special from Smile Jamaica this morning. Stay with us. Things are getting a little sweeter on the other side of the break.